In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your air filter. It's located in your engine compartment inside this box. To gain access to our air filter, it's underneath this lid. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver and loosen up the air intake tube. Just loosen up this clamp here. Go ahead and work that down, pop that off loose. On the back side, there is a vacuum hose right here. Simply grab that, pull that right off. On the front side of the box here, there are going to be two tabs that need to be pulled forward to unlock the box here. You can either just use your fingers and pop it down, or you can use your flathead screwdriver to pop it in there and gently pry away. Do the same over here. And there we have it. We're now unlocked. Lift it up and pull towards you. You're going to undo these three little tabs that are locked into the back of the box. This exposes our air filter. Simply grab that filter, lift straight up and out. Go ahead and take your air filter, lower it down into place. You want to make sure that the rubber sealer on the perimeter is fit in nice. Next, take your air box lid, and these three tabs need to lock in to the back side of the base here. So you want to tip this down, insert those tabs, and you can go ahead and push the box down. Now when you push this down, you want to go ahead and lock these front tabs. So push down, give it a good push. Both tabs should lock in. At this point here, let's go ahead and install our two tubes. Our intake tube should just push down, line up, give it a couple wiggles there, and then we'll go ahead and tighten down the hose clamp. You want to make sure that that's snug, but not super tight, enough that this hose shouldn't pop off. Once that's snug, go ahead into the vacuum tube on the back. Grab the vacuum tube, simply line that up, and slide that on. Once that's in place, you now completed your air filter change.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.